This is how to install feather-friendly, small-format, quarter-inch DIY visual markers. You'll need the following tools. Clean the window with soap and water. You can use a scraper if needed for very dirty windows. Remember to only scrape wet glass. Using a towel, dry the window and window frame completely. Use tape to attach the included tape measures to both sides of the working area. Tape them at the same height. Using the tape measures as a guide, roll the marker tape across the window and lightly press it into place. Cut each strip slightly longer than the window width. Space the marker strips 2 inches apart. This spacing provides maximum effectiveness for preventing bird collisions. Using the included hard card squeegee, go over each strip several times with moderate pressure. This secures adhesion and removes air bubbles. Slowly peel off the carrier tape. Pull downward at a 45-degree angle against the glass. That's it. You can relax knowing your window is now bird safe.